modalities and delivery forms of school health. So all the services which are important for school health must be known by the parents, the children and the school staff. Modalities and delivery forms of school health related interventions can be grouped into following categories. So what are the examples of those services which are required by the students to take care of their health and also by the parents and the community members? School health environment. So everybody must be conscious of the school health environment, whether the school is being kept clean, whether the water is available for the students to be drinking pure water, and also for washing purposes, whether the students are having an opportunity to wash their hands, whether they are having an opportunity to use clean toilets so that no disease is spread due to dirty toilets. School health education. The education related to health is continuously being imparted in the school, whether it is primary, secondary or higher secondary school, and even in the colleges. There is a continuous health program which is being imparted through education and different subjects like hygiene and physiology, civics. Even while talking about religious studies, we would come to know about so many practices to keep ourselves clean. So all these subjects are introduced in the school, and along with that it is integrated with a school health education program. And also, not only is this health program being taught theoretically, but also there are measures taken so that the students are involved and engaged in such projects and activities in which they are able to implement all the knowledge that they are taking through the school health education program and also through their textbooks. So when they are reading all this, they are able to apply it as well in their schools, so that they get into the habit of taking these measures at home as well, and these become their habits in order to keep themselves clean and thus become healthy. School health services. It is very important for the students and the parents to know about the school health services. What are the services and what are the limitations of those services? How should the students be able to use those health services? And there should be an understanding amongst the students that if they need the service of the school regarding their health, for example, if they are having temperature or they are feeling nausea or they are having a headache or a pain somewhere, they should be able to reach the school nurse or the clinic which is available in the school, and the students should be able to go to the nurse and tell them what the problem is and then get some kind of treatment. And if the school authorities think that it is something which is serious, then the school authorities need to either contact the parents or the hospitals. It is also a good practice to have a yearly checkup of all the students. So in some schools, it is a practice in Pakistan that the students receive a yearly checkup of their health by the doctors and the hospitals, and they also keep a record of the growth of the students that is taking place. For example, what is their height and what is their weight. If everything is normal, that is a good thing, but if there is something which is abnormal, then the parents and the school authorities, they do something for it and contact the hospital. School nutrition program. This is the most important one, because in some schools, the canteens, the food is not really checked. So that causes a lot of diseases amongst the students. So the school nutrition program should be run by some nutritionist in the school, or at least some biology teacher or home economics teacher can take care of that and be in charge of that, so that in order to have the proper diet for the students in the canteen. The food should be having important nutrients in the food so that the children have an opportunity to eat that food and develop in a way that their growth is positive.